Hello everybody, it's Michelle and I've got another party plate idea for you guys today. We're going to take a break from the farm animals for just a moment. I've got a summer party plate idea for you guys today that I think is really cute. It's super simple. I almost didn't do this video because I thought maybe it was too simple, but sometimes that's what we're looking for. I hadn't planned on this video. I hadn't really thought of this idea. I just saw these plates here in the store and that green and white stripe gave me the idea. Of course, you can see we're going to do a watermelon. This would be a great last minute idea for your 4th of July cookout. Sometimes you go to the store for plates for that and all of the red, white, and blue are sold out if you're there last minute. So this is a last minute idea. You won't need the red, white, and blue, or you could use this for any barbecue or gathering all summer long. So these are from Glad. I don't know if I can find a link to these, but I will try. I got these in my local Big Lots store, so if you want to look there, if you have a Big Lots, I just thought we could take this plate with those stripes and then maybe another lime green, just the regular dinner size plate that you can get at Walmart, Dollar Tree, or anywhere like that, just the paper one. And these are some plastic salad plates that they started stocking in Dollar Tree. And those three layered together I thought was just the perfect little watermelon flesh with the light green and then the dark green rind. Or you could just use that plate with the dinner size red. That would also be very cute. And if you can't find these stripey plates, then don't worry about it. You can just use simple solid colors. You can just take the dinner size dark green paper plate, again from Dollar Tree, Walmart, wherever. And those plastic salad plates from Dollar Tree fit perfectly inside of that. Okay, so one last detail that I really wanted to add was some watermelon seeds. And I'm just going to be using raisins. What I really wanted but couldn't find in the store was the chocolate covered sunflower seeds. I think those would have had that teardrop shape more like a watermelon seed and it would have been better, but I couldn't find those. Even chocolate chips would work. Anything that's going to give that idea of watermelon seeds and be a little treat on the plate. So just a few little raisin watermelon seeds around here. Super simple, almost too simple. I hope you guys liked it. Leave me a comment below and let me know. If you did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and share. That helps me out a lot on my channel. Also, be sure to subscribe. Give me a like over on my Facebook page. Follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. And don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have all of those listed in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.